Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with a real quick video. You know what you got to do. You got to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Goes a long way. This video will not take long. It's probably going to be a smidget. I know a lot of you have been getting the notification from mainly champs saying that your reservation has been canceled. And when you click that notification and go to it, it removes your head starts from the Carmine 6 release. It still kept the entry, but it removed the head starts. Why, may you ask? If you haven't been told yet, I made a few calls to a few champs and actually Foot Locker locations and Footaction. Now, Foot Locker has their shipment in. They looked at some of the shoes. Some of them were pink, some were not. I was told that they sorted out the pinks, sent them back, kept the pairs that doesn't have the pink bleeding in it. Other stores like JD Sports, Finish Line, they have their pairs. They did raffles earlier in the week. Champs and Footaction do not have their shipment in. I'm not going to say all locations because I can't speak for all locations, but I got the notification and people in other cities has gotten that same cancellation. And when I made calls, I was told directly from champs and Footaction locations that they still don't have their shipment in. Their shipment is late. Now, why, may you ask, you got the cancellation outside of the shipment being late? Is because the Flex app does not really re-raffle. When they get their shipment in, they have to enter sizes by that Wednesday into the app for it to, raffle and draw the names. So sizes have to be entered that Wednesday coming into the week of the release. So if they don't have a shipment of men's sizes and today is Thursday and you've missed Wednesday, then there's nothing to enter in there. So therefore, they have to cancel it and it'll just end up being first come, first serve. Now, what I was told from Footaction and Champs is they had grade school sizes. They just didn't have the men's sizes in yet. So what will happen is whenever they get them in, it could be tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. Whenever they get them in, they will be first come, first serve. They will not be re-raffled. They'll be first come, first serve. They kind of had the same issue with the Mochas before, and stores end up getting pairs of Mochas a week or two after the release. So this is kind of the same thing that's happening with that. A large part of it is due to the pink of the sole with the defects and the issues that they're going over. So like I said, Foot Locker said they had theirs. Footaction, champs don't have their pairs yet. So that means that they'll end up being first come, first serve when they get them in because they were not able to enter sizes inside of the Flex system because they didn't have any pairs to enter in there. They don't know what they have. So that is why you got that notification if you wasn't aware why. That's the explanation for it. And that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And if I get any more news, I'll try my best to keep you guys updated. But until the next video, you guys be cool.